Squirrel! Squirrel! Get squirrel, Dottie! Get squirrel!
Pipe, there's something we need to tell you. You're adopted.
There were a few. Just 2 years ago, Alex met the Vernon Davis, jumping off a wild playoff win over the Saints.
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood. I like you, love you.
Action whenever I lose my phone.
Домой. Ты домой, что ли, в калитку?
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me right.
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Hey, I gotta tell you something. Wake up. I gotta tell you something.